Going to see the course of median nerve. This is the median nerve in axilla. You can see the axillary artery here. There are two roots of median nerve. This is lateral root and medial root, and that will form the median nerve. Lateral root is coming from lateral cord, medial root is coming from medial cord. Then it passes over this brachial artery. It passes through the arm, but it will not supply any muscle in the arm. Then it comes to the cuboidal fossa. It is the medial most structure in the cuboidal fossa, just besides the brachial artery and the tendon of biceps brachii. Then it comes into the forearm between the two heads of pronator teres. We have reflected the muscle. So you can see the median nerve now. It supplies all of the muscles of front of forearm except the flexor carpi ulnaris and the medial half of flexor digitorum profundus. While passing into the forearm, you can see this branch is given by median nerve. This is the deep branch, which is also called as anterior interosseous nerve, which supplies the deep muscles in the front of forearm. It goes in front of interosseous membrane and ends here at pronator quadratus muscle. The median nerve itself will continue in the forearm. It passes deep to this flexor retinaculum in carpal tunnel, and then it enters into the palm to supply the thenar muscles. The thenar muscles include abductor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, deep to that opponens pollicis. It also gives cutaneous supply to the palm, front of palm, by means of these branches to 3.5 fingers from ventral aspect. So that is the course of median nerve. While ulnar nerve, which we are going to see now, is branch from medial cord. Again it passes through the arm but does not supply any muscle in the arm. It passes behind the medial epicondyle and then it comes into the forearm. As you can see here, it supplies the flexor carpi ulnaris and medial half of flexor digitorum profundus. It traverses the forearm and then passes above the flexor retinaculum, superficial to that, lateral to pisiform bone. It supplies the hypothenar muscles, that is abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi, and deep to that opponens digiti minimi. Its superficial branch also supplies the palmaris brevis muscle. Apart from the hypothenar muscles, the ulnar nerve also supplies the lumbricals, which are given out from the flexor digitorum profundus muscle. 4 lumbricals. The deep muscles in the palm, that is palmar interossea and dorsal interossea, are also supplied by ulnar nerve, and finally ulnar nerve will end into this muscle, that is adductor pollicis muscle.